Why look at the bird?
And today, they will battle out to see who's the best basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. On the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let's cheer for Sassy. Sassy! Sassy! Alright, girls, so let's cheer for Rocky. Rocky! Rocky! Alright, first ready. Trainers ready. Set, go! Here's Rocky, here's first ball. Followed by Sassy. Second now for Rocky. It's a tie after the last ball. Rocky wins! Trainer April, you lose this time. What can you say about that? Homework, we want another race. She wants another race in your mark.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will be.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race. What is the ring race? The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pole the fastest is the winner. That is the ring race. So, a ring race to show me. Remember guys that boys are winning 1 point. So girls, let's cheer for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again this time our ring race. Ready, set, go! Who will stop the first ring? Are you going to stop the ring? Sassy,
Kinuha niya tatlo sabay-sabay. Kala ko lang kumakain.